In today's video, I'm walking you through how to optimize your WordPress posts for SEO using SEOPress, one of the best all-in-one SEO plugins available today. My name's Ashley Robots, and if you're ready to get your content ranking on Google without hiring an SEO expert, this tutorial is going to give you the exact steps to do that. Here's the truth. Writing a great blog post just isn't enough. If your content isn't properly optimized, it likely won't show up in search results, which means you're missing out on valuable traffic. SEOPress makes it super easy to handle SEO right inside your WordPress dashboard without complicated tools or expensive software. So whether you're a blogger or a freelancer or a small business owner, this tool is going to help you level up. Let's get into it. So first off, what is SEOPress? SEOPress is a powerful and lightweight WordPress SEO plugin designed to help you optimize your website for search engines. It lets you manage meta titles and descriptions, create XML and HTML sitemaps, set up schema markup, track 404 errors, integrate with Google Analytics, and so much more. SEOPress comes in both a free and pro version. The free version includes everything you need to optimize basic SEO elements, while the pro version unlocks advanced features like local SEO, WooCommerce integration, breadcrumb management, and more. The plugin is built with performance in mind, and it doesn't slow down your site with bloated code. If you're looking for a plugin that gives you full control over your SEO settings without the annoying ads or upsells, SEOPress is such a great choice. Before I show you how to get signed up, let's go over some of the key features. So SEO allows you to set custom meta titles and descriptions for every post page and custom post type. It automatically generates an XML sitemap for your site and allows you to exclude specific content if needed. You can even create structured data to help search engines better understand your content, such as articles, products, local business info, and more. The plugin offers breadcrumb support, which is great for user navigation and SEO. You can easily integrate Google Analytics and Google Search Console without touching any code. SEOPress includes a content analysis tool that checks your posts for keyword usage, readability, and basic SEO practices. The Pro version unlocks additional features like redirection, management, WooCommerce, SEO, video, XML, sitemaps, and more. If you want to get started and follow along with me, I have an exclusive link for you in the description below. Okay, so what we're going to do first is, if you want, you can get started with the free version, but what we're going to do is log in to WordPress. Once you're in WordPress, what we're going to do is we're going to go to plugins and we're going to click add plugin. We are going to search for SEOPress. We'll click install now. We also have to click activate and we will get it set up. So if you need to migrate your SEO metadata to SEOPress, this is where you would do it. But since we don't have anything to migrate, I'm going to click next step. So to build titles and tags and knowledge graph for Google, you need to fill out the fields below to configure the general settings. If it looks good to go for you, you can just click save and continue. You also can link your site to your social networks by typing in the URL here, and any additional accounts you can add here too. We'll click save and continue. And then for which single post types should indexing be disabled? So go ahead and click if you would like them to be disabled on anything. I'm not going to click anything. We'll click save and continue. Now for which post type archives should indexing be disabled? Again, you can pick whatever you would like and leave whatever you would like. Click save and continue. Now for taxonomy archives, should indexing be disabled? Again, go ahead and choose whatever works best for you. Here they say they do not recommend indexing tags, which are in the vast majority of cases a source of duplicate content. So we'll go ahead and leave that checked. Click save and continue. Lastly, the final step before being ready to rank on search engines, we just want to click this automatically set alt text on already inserted image. We'll leave these other two blank. Go ahead and click save and continue. Amazing. So now what we'll do is we'll go ahead and create a post. We are going to click add post. Now, as you can see, SEOPress is already just automatically in here. We don't have to do anything other than click that original activate and set up. So we are going to go ahead and do 5 digital marketing tips every beginner needs to hear. And then we're going to copy and paste our blog post. Okay, now we'll go ahead and click refresh analysis. And now you can see it says should be improved. So we have a bunch of red and a bunch of yellow. So here you can see headings. None of your target keywords were found in the heading. Social meta tags. Your open graph title is missing. So it just gives you so much great information for SEO. You should add one of your target keywords in your permalink. Okay, so you can see there is a lot that we need to update here. Now what we'll do is test test out a more SEO friendly one and just see what it gives us. Now we can refresh. Again, you want to keep making sure that you are checking everything that they say and adjusting it based on all of their suggestions. Then when you've made all of the updates, you can just click publish. But again, it just gives you so much great information. You can even see a Google snippet preview, what it would look like. So it's fairly simple, but it's giving you so much great information. And once everything looks good, all you do is go ahead and click publish and you're good to go. Now that you understand how to use SEOPress, let's go over some of the pros and cons. So one of the biggest advantages of SEOPress is how clean and user-friendly it is. There are no ads, no clutter, and it gives you full control over every SEO element of your site. The plugin is also super lightweight, meaning it won't bog down your site speed. It includes all the essential features you'd expect in the SEO plugin, like meta editing, sitemaps, content analysis, and Google integrations. The Pro version adds a ton of extra value for a very low price compared to other plugins, which I'll go over what the Pro plan looks like in just a second here. The only downside is that SEOPress doesn't have quite as many tutorials or community support as bigger plugins like Yoast or Rank Math. However, their documentation is solid and the tool itself is pretty intuitive. Now, let's go over the different plan and pricing options so you can see what would fit best for you. So again, if you want to click the link in the description, you can just go ahead and click pricing if you want to follow along. So here you can see they've got a couple options here. They've got the free version, which is what we were just on. With this, you get the integrated with all page builders and themes, the SEO content analysis, optimize your SEO metadata, enhanced social sharing, XML, HTML sitemaps, Google Analytics, and no ads, which is pretty huge for a free version of a tool. Next is the SEO Pro, and this is for 5 sites, and this is just $49 per year. With this, you get 5 sites, you get OpenAI integration, you get site audit, local SEO, WooCommerce SEO, analytics stats in your dashboards, automatic and manual schemas, Google News, and so much more. Lastly is the SEOPress Pro Unlimited sites. With the Unlimited sites version of Pro, it's just $149 per year. So with this plan, you get everything that's in the SEOPress, the Pro, the 5 sites, but you just get unlimited sites. So again, make sure you're choosing the one that fits best for you, but even just checking out the free plugin is such a great place to start. If you want an affordable, clean, and effective way to optimize your WordPress site for search engines, SEOPress is such a great choice. It gives you all the tools you need to grow your traffic without overwhelm. Again, if you want to try them out, the link is in the description below, and these are affiliate links, which mean we do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for your support. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.